someone's heart, it's a blessing. When you touch someone's mind, it's an honor. When you touch someone's soul, it's a triumph, says Dr. Jeff Mullen. A bright glowing morning to all the luminaries on the dais and the participants of AICTE Teaching and Learning FDP on hardware accelerators for AI, ML, DL, FPGA and ASIC design for high performance and energy efficient computing.
Prayers are like songs composed by our heart's desire, thoughts, emotions and aspirations. Let us begin this event by singing our college prayer song along with the choir followed by Tamil verses. I kindly request you all to rise to your feet. Saranathan has had exemplary hands in education and research ever since 1998. To flourish our solidity, we have joined hands to organize our ATAL Faculty Development Program on the topic of hardware acceleration for AI, ML, DL, FPGA and ASIC design for high performance and energy efficient computing.
Light shows us where life will take us. It illuminates our path, helps us to make right decisions and leads us to our goals. It also helps us to maintain hope and faith in the future. There is always a way out and the intense spark guides us on this path. I request our beloved dignitaries on the dais to ignite that spark by illuminating the Indian flag. Please, sir.
Thank you, sir. Small cheers and a great welcome makes a merry feast. It's my pleasure to introduce the shining star of our team, Dr. M. Shanti, Head of the Department, Electronics and Communication Engineering, who has golden hands in VLSI signal processing and system and received her doctorate from the National Institute of Technology. She truly embodies warmth and hospitality. With great hands, let me invite her to welcome the gathering.
A very pleasant morning to everyone gathered here. Honorable Secretary, Shri Ravindran sir, respected Principal Dr. Devadavan sir, respected Head R&D, Dr. Natarajan sir, distinguished Chief Guest of today's function, Dr. Varun P. sir, Heads of various departments, my dear colleagues, faculty members, research scholars and PG students from our institution and other institutions, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to you all for this 6 days FDP program, ATAL FDP program on recent trends in AIML, DL, hardware acceleration, FPGA and ASIC design for high performance and energy efficient computing. With the blessings of our founder secretary, Vidya Seva Ratnam, Guru Seva Mani, Auditor Sri K. Santanam sir, our institution has successfully completed its 25 years of journey and we are going to have the Silver Jubilee celebration soon. Artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning are the recent techniques being used in healthcare, retail, manufacturing, banking, wireless, driverless cars, etc. for image and speech recognition, decision making and translation, natural language processing, etc. We all know VLSI is integrating billions of transistors in a single chip. As machine learning, deep learning deals with the large volume of data set, new electronic systems having low power consumption, fastest computational speed and very short design time are required. Field programmable gate arrays and ASIC can serve the dedicated hardware accelerators. Hence, we have set proposal to organize ATAL FDP in the topic of AIML DL hardware acceleration, FPGA and ASIC design for high performance and energy efficient computing. Some of the objectives of ATAL Academy are to impart quality technical education in the country, to foster research, innovation and entrepreneurship through training, to empower technical teachers by training and exchange of experiences through organizing workshops, orientation programs and other faculty development programs. As per the statistics provided in the AICTE ATAL website, 3,621 proposals were received for organizing ATAL FDP programs and a technical category for the academic year 2023 to 24. Out of 3,621 proposals, 3,285 proposals were considered for evaluation by the experts based on the quality of the course content, quality of research persons, etc. Only 395 proposals were selected. I am very happy to share that ours is one among them. At this moment, I would like to express my gratitude to AICTE Chairman, ATAL Coordinator, Selection Committee members to provide an opportunity for us to organize this 1 week ATAL FDP program in our college. At the outset, it gives me an immense pleasure to welcome the Chief Guest of today's function, Dr. Varun P. sir, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, NAAC TRICHY, who has kindly accepted our invitation to deliver a lecture in forenoon session and hands-on session in afternoon session also. Thank you, sir, for magnanimously accepting our invitation in spite of your busy schedule and sparing your valuable time with us in knowledge sharing. I hearty welcome you, sir. It is my honor and privilege to welcome our principal, who immediately sanctioned and recommended our request to Secretary Sir in applying for this FDP and provided constant support and suggestions toward this event. A sincere welcome to you, sir. I extend a hearty welcome to our cheerful heads of various departments who have supported us by motivating their faculty members to attend this program. I am very happy to welcome my colleagues who are supporting us in organizing this function, a successful and memorable one. I am very much enthusiastic in welcoming all the faculty members, research scholars and PG students from our institution and other institutions, without whom the function would not have been a successful one. At this juncture, I would like to express my gratitude to the research persons from National Institute of Technology, Dr. G. Lakshminarayan sir, Professor ECE, Dr. K. Swaminathan sir, Design Engineer, Smart IOPS, Trivandrum, Mr. Shiva Prasad, Design Engineer, Gentipur Technologies, Bangalore, Dr. J. Manigandan, PES University, Bangalore, Dr. N. Gayatri Mathur, Budum Shamran Nursing Home, and Dr. S. Kumaravel, Professor ECE, EIT Vellore, for accepting our invitation in delivering lectures and hands-on session to the participants. I would like to thank Siemens Lab, NAAC TRICHY, for permitting us to have an industrial visit. I expect every participant to fully involve in the program and to get maximum benefit out of it. I will conclude my welcome address with the famous quote by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, knowledge makes you great. Once again, I welcome you to extend a great welcome to all of you for this 6 days ATAL Faculty Development Program. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. A great leader attracts great people and knows how to hold them together. One such eminent person is our principal, Dr. D. Valavan, who binds us together with his passion for education and commitment to our success, and also an expert in energy conservation and management. May I now invite our esteemed principal, sir, to take the stage and share his valuable insights.
Distinguished Chief Guest, Dr. Varun B. Gopi, the convener of this program, Dr. Shanti, co-convener, Dr. Vedila, faculty members from various institutions, and my dear friends. So, very good morning to all. First of all, I appreciate the Department of ECE for organizing this ATAL FDP. The reason is, last year also they have organized one program, ATAL program. This is your second program. Whenever we send a proposal to AICTE, especially ATAL FDP, it has been sanctioned. The reason is, we concentrate on the latest trends and technology. You know, if you see the AL, ML, DL, so these areas normally will have good weightage in the forum. At the same time, after receiving the proposal from this department and we have forwarded it, after getting the approval from the AICTE, I gone through entire thing, because previously it was the previous FDP or ATAL FDP was online, right? I praying God and looking after everything, should be the physical present mode. You know the reason. Even I saw many people, even in our institution, they attend the online program by teaching the class, right? So you switch on the mobile and keep it in a silent mode, and they keep it in the, normally they used to keep it in the pocket. The body is attending the FDP but not the mind, right? But I'm really happy today that this program, this totally 6 days program, is going to be a physical present program. I expect all the participants to attend all these 6 days. The reason is, no one knows everything, but everyone knows something. Learn something from this ATAL FDP and transfer to the young budding engineers, so that it will be very helpful for national building. For that only the AICTE is approving this type of program. I expect, once again, I request the participants to have any other commitment, leave it for a week and concentrate fully on this FDP, so that it will be more helpful for our students. And at the same time, my appreciation to ECE, right? Even though we have a lot of commitments, because we don't have a proper academic schedule with an university. Now the third year and final years are attending the writing the examination, and first year, second year classes are going on. Right? With that, even it is very difficult to find good number of participants for the many ATAL FDP, but we have all the 30, Right, good, very good, very good. Many principals approached me, said at least 1 or 2 from our college, from this department, for this FDP, like that. I was getting many requests. But very unfortunate, the situation is like this. Even the other benefits, normally, if they are requesting for anything, they will used to give some benefits, At least 1 or 2 they can attend, the other days they can attend from their college itself. Like that also some benefits also they are given. I said, if my staff member, our college staff member is attending, they will attend all the 6 days. So it is not possible for us now, because academic sessions for the first year and second years are going on. It is not possible like that. I have told the people. Why I am repeatedly insisting this one now? We should give the importance for learning always. Once if you start learning, or if it is a continuous learning, definitely it will be teaching effort in the regular classrooms. With small concepts or with new concepts, definitely you can deliver your lecture. Definitely it will reach the students well, and they will also be very attentive to your classes. So please take care of everything. Almost we have a good infrastructure for your comfort here. If you find any difficulties, you can approach the coordinators or the faculty members of the ECE. Definitely they will help you. And I wish all the participants to have a happy learning 6 days. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you for your valuable words, sir. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. We extend our warmest welcome to our esteemed Associate Professor, Dr. V. Mohan, from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, with a wealth of knowledge and expertise in the field of image compression and communication systems. He is a professor whose unwavering dedication to knowledge and guidance has illuminated countless paths. We eagerly anticipate in welcoming him to introduce the chief guest and resource person of the day, Dr. Varun P. Gopi.
Good morning, one and all. It gives me immense pleasure to present before you the achievements of our guest of honor for this inaugural address and the inauguration of ATAL FDP. Dr. Varun Gopi has obtained BTech from Mahatma Gandhi University of Kottayam, and sir has obtained MTech from the same University of Canada, and sir has earned his PhD degree from the area of medical image processing from National Institute of Technology, TRICHY. His areas of specialization includes speech and image processing, not only speech and image processing, and IoT, healthcare particularly, and sir has developed a lot of works in the area of augmented reality in healthcare, and he has contributed significantly for the areas of medical image processing with AI facilities, and he has been a pioneer in the area of compressed sensing and in circuits and systems, particularly for hardware for deep learning related implementations. Sir has been working as an assistant professor grade 1 at National Institute of Technology, TRICHY since 2018. He has been a member in AAA Society and in IEI and Chartered Engineer. Sir has published more than 60 plus articles in refereed international journals. Sir and his teammates, his students have presented more than 39 papers in refereed conferences, international conferences, and Sir has been part of all the academic activities of the Department of ECE at NIT TRICHY, and he has been sanctioned with more than 1 crore rupees for his research contributions for the development of R&D related projects. Let's all put hands together to appreciate him. And he has been recently sanctioned with 20 plus lakhs rupees from Government of India for his notable contribution in the research. And Sir has authored more than 3 books, and he has authored more than 10 book chapters also. And he has been an active member in IEEE, as I mentioned earlier, and he has been an associate editor for the Springer Journal of Physics, Physical and Engineering Sciences in Medicine. And he has been a significant part in the establishment of R&D facilities across the nationwide as well as in abroad. And Sir has been a member in various committees of the Department of ECE at NIT. Without much ado, I don't want to take much of your time. May now request our Principal Sir to honor him with a shawl to show our affection, love and affection. And I will present the stage to Dr. Anupuri Sir to continue with. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation to inaugurate this FDP. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. An inaugural address stands as a beacon, heralding new beginnings and charting the course for collective aspirations. Leaders use this moment to share their promises and set out a roadmap for what's to come. It is with great honor and immense pleasure that we extend our warmest welcome to our esteemed chief guest, resource person and a versatile engineer, Dr. Varun B. Gopi, who specializes in signals and image processing to deliver the inaugural address.
Very good morning to all. So, respected principal, respected head of department and the co-coordinator and all the dignitaries of the dais. So today it's given me very happy because I'm here coming as a person for delivering a talk on this prestigious workshop. So first of all, I would like to congratulate the DC department of Saranathan College of Engineering for conducting such a program. And as the students said, I could see that there is a social professor. So when I came, he taken me through the institute and he was very jolly type. I feel like very happy. And similarly, I would like to thank also the principal, the way by which he done the lighting the lamp. So I like it very much because he is a leader. The leaders always take responsibility. So I feel like I am so happy to be here. And regarding the workshop, as you know, nowadays AI and ML is booming. So definitely there are a lot of opportunities, but most of them in the side of algorithm development. So that is more easy. Nowadays there are a lot of open source softwares are available, platforms are available, you can do the algorithm. But how we are going to implement it on hardware? So that is the real question. So as you know, there will be definitely a big challenge in this area, because even when simply we are implementing a signal processing algorithm on the FPGA, it will be that much tough. So now we are moving to this CNN or deep neural network. So how we can implement this on hardware? That will be a big question. And there are not much references available for this. So we have to do by our own, and we have to see what are the possibilities in this field. So I hope this workshop will give you some insights regarding how we can implement the AI/ML algorithms on hardware. So today I am going to handle a session on hardware for deep neural network and followed by a hands-on session by my scholars. So I hope this will give a better experience for you, and thank you.
best way to recognize the most auspicious occasion. And every thank you will bring new blossoms to enrich in every other life. Let us welcome our very own supporter and co-coordinator, Dr. C. Vanilla, who is well-versed in VLSI system, and her leadership and support have been invaluable, contributing significantly to the growth of our esteemed institution. We proudly welcome her to deliver the vote of thanks.
A warm and cherished morning to our Honorable Secretary, respected Principal Sir, revered Head R&D, esteemed Chief Guest of today's function, veteran faculty members from various institutions. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks and acknowledge the contributors of today's function. At the outset, my sincere thanks to Almighty God for making today's event a grand success. At the outset, my sincere thanks on behalf of faculty members and students. I would like to express my profound gratitude to our Honorable Secretary Sir for his constant encouragement and support throughout the execution of this function. Thank you, sir. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our sincere thanks to our Principal Sir for his unfaltering support and confidence in us in all endeavors. Thank you, sir. I express my deep regards to our Head R&D for his skillful guidance and motivation extended to all of us. Thank you, sir. I would like to extend a very hearty thanks to our Chief Guest of today's function, Dr. Varun P. Gopi, Assistant Professor, Grade 1, NIT TRICHY, who has spent his valuable time gracing the occasion. You have been always generous with your time when you need your support, sir. Today, we all had the opportunity to hear your inspiring thoughts. Your thoughts have enlightened the young minds, and this will definitely encouraging them in future events. Thank you, sir. My sincere thanks to heads of various departments for their wholehearted support in organizing the function. Well, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheel starts rolling weeks ago. It requires a bird's eye and a planning for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed up by a team of very motivated and dedicated staff members and students of this institute who know their job and are result-oriented. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the organizing members of staff and students for the remarkable contribution that they have made for the successful conduction of the program. Our special thanks to AICTE ATAL Academy for having given us an opportunity to conduct this one-week FDP program. Special thanks to the technical support group for public address system arrangements. My deep sense of appreciation goes to all the student and staff participants who have attended this event with great enthusiasm. The essence of fruits is always tested in the last, and we believe that the last will be the best. We would like to thank all our participants whose participation in this FDP made this day a memorable one. Thanks to one and all. Thank you very much.
Hearty thanks to all the dignitaries and participants. With this, we conclude the inaugural function.